In this lesson, you will learn how to classify polynomials by degree. Remember, the degree is the highest exponent on the variable. A polynomial of degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. 8 and -5 are examples of constant polynomials. We can write them as 8 times x to the 0 power and -5 times x to the 0 power. Since x to the 0 power equals 1, they are still just 8 and -5. That is why constants like these have degree 0. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Look at x plus 4 and 3x plus 5. In both polynomials, the highest exponent on x is 1. We just don't usually write it. So, because the degree is 1, both are linear polynomials. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. In both examples, the highest exponent is 2. So both are quadratic polynomials. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Since the highest exponent in each one is 3, these are cubic polynomials. A polynomial of degree 4 is called a quartic polynomial. Here the highest exponent is 4, which makes them quartic polynomials. And a polynomial of degree 5 is called a quintic polynomial. In both examples, the highest exponent is 5. So both are quintic polynomials. For degrees higher than 5, we usually just state the degree. So we say a 6th degree polynomial, a 7th degree polynomial, and so on. Pretty straightforward, right? All right, let's lock this in with a few examples. Remember the routine. First, find the highest exponent. That gives you the degree. Then use the name that matches the degree. For the first one, we have -9, which is the same as -9x to the 0 power. So the degree is 0, and it is a constant polynomial. Next, we have 5x minus 3. The highest exponent is 1, so the degree is 1, and it is a linear polynomial. Now look at x squared plus 7x plus 12. The highest exponent is 2, so the degree is 2, and it is a quadratic polynomial. How about the next one? The highest exponent is 3, right? So the degree is 3, and it is a cubic polynomial. Next, we have x to the 4th minus 16. The highest exponent is 4, so the degree is 4. That makes it a quartic polynomial. Now pause the video and try the next one. First find the highest exponent, then use that degree to classify the polynomial. The highest exponent is 5, so the degree is 5, and it is a quintic polynomial. What is the highest exponent in the next one? It is 6, right? So the degree is 6. Since we usually do not use special names after quintic, we call it a 6th degree polynomial. What about the last one? What is its highest exponent? If you said 7, you got it. So the degree is 7, and it is a 7th degree polynomial. For more practice, I've added a free worksheet. You can find the link in the pinned comment below. Next, watch the video on the screen to learn how to classify polynomials by both degree and number of terms. You can also find the complete polynomial playlist in the description.